Hey everyone, it's Arkondus Gaming, and thank you for tuning into this quick video on, in my opinion, the best way to kill the Golem Lord here. He's one of the more popular bosses in BRD and one of the more challenging ones. So basically what you want to do is you want to kill the golems first, of course, the Wrath Hammer being the first target, and then the Rage Reaver being the second. So my group wiped before this because I think I went AFK and they pulled by accident. So the Golem Lord isn't going to run out. I'll show another video of when he does run out. But essentially you want to go ahead and let the DPS take care of Skull. Don't even think about, or I don't even worry about aggro on that. Because he's going to die fast, hopefully, if you have good DPS. And then you're going to tank the second Golem and then the Golem Lord here around this corner. So as you see there, whenever he decides to do a Chain Lightning, you're going to go ahead and line of sight it so he doesn't get that off and doesn't deal a good amount of damage, because that does hurt, and especially if you have a bunch of melee, it's going to hit multiple targets. So you're going to go ahead and save your healer mana and mitigate a lot of damage here. So this is the best way to kill a Golem Lord in my opinion. Just tank him there in that corner and get easy loot. Now again, this is not the pull where he runs out of the room, so I'll go ahead and show that one next. But yeah, pretty much the same concept. If he doesn't run out of the room, you could probably pull him behind those crates that you see there. But I just like pulling him back just in case. So you let the DPS kill the construct and I guess backpedal so you don't have your back to the enemy. Do that as much as you can. Sometimes you can't help it. And you're going to see the Golem Lord. He runs out to the room to the left. So he's going to come back. You're just going to pick him up. Make sure you taunt him because healer is going to have aggro. We got unlucky there. He started Chain Lightning before I can taunt. But essentially, yeah, you're just going to taunt him right here on either side. So when he does decide to Chain Lightning, you're just going to go ahead and try to line of sight. I failed there, I think, a couple times, but you get the idea. Go ahead and line of sight so he doesn't Chain Lightning and get that free loot. So thank you for tuning into this quick guide. I'm still learning as a tank in Classic, so hopefully I can come out with guides and tips to help you guys as well. And let me know what else you want to see, whether it be a boss. I'm only level 55 at the moment, so I am limited to some things I can make, but just let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, if you guys like these kind of videos and things like that. But I do appreciate you guys tuning in, and have a great day.